my name is Nakarin Jaikla. I'm original from Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I live here in Melbourne for 13 years. So I basically do performing art, and I perform a lot in local, in Melbourne here, in the stage, and overseas as well. So I love produce performing, and now I move on to the video art, and now I add in some of the other element, which is installation, to including with my performing. So I will present my video art, which is called Void 4.1, and on the opening night I will perform my new dance piece, which is called Flema, and it's all about one of the elements of the Godai philosophy of the Japanese Buddhists. It's about fire, passion, energy that drive you to everything in your life. Hopefully I will see you guys on the opening night on 13 June 2019. See you guys there.